Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started in today's video. Alright you guys, so first of all, massive migraine going on right now, so I apologize. It's pretty much been here since Friday. Like, it went away, I take some stuff and then it comes back, so I'm kind of getting terrified because I cannot. There's no way that I struggled to do my job Friday. There's no way I could do this every single day with my job. But anyway, today's video, I bought this palette a while ago, and I'm just now getting around to using it. And see, oh God, sorry, there are things stabbing me in the eyeball. Not cool, not cool. All right. This video is gonna be one for the books, I can tell you. This is gonna be the LA Girl Desert Glow Envy eyeshadow palette. It is absolutely beautiful. It just kind of got stuck in the stack and just has not made it yet. So we're using this today. Again, not feeling well. So I just want to do something light, airy, beautiful. I'm gonna do the same look on both eyes just for the sake of I feel absolutely horrible. I woke up shaking. I was in so much pain, and I have to get to my mom's house to do some stuff because it's Mother's Day. So I'm gonna start out with, let's start with this shade right here. It's just light neutral, looks like it's a brown shade with a little hint of pink maybe. So yeah, let's I am not well, you guys. I feel absolutely horrible. But yeah, gonna get through this. I feel like these shimmer shades, some of them look more like topper shades, but we'll see how that works out. And happy Mother's Day if you are a mother. And oh yeah, happy belated Mother's Day, because this isn't going to go up until who knows when. So, and also if you're watching this, and you follow me on the gram, I have been put in Instagram jail once again. I cannot comment, on anything. So if you've been commenting on my posts and I'm not responding, it's not because I don't want to, it's because Instagram won't let me. I posted a post like I did every day, or like I do every day, yesterday, and I got hit with the we restrict certain activity, blah, 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 blah. You were prevented from doing this action until May, I think it was the 18th. So if you're watching this before May 18th, I apologize. I absolutely cannot comment on anything. So I'm so horribly sorry. But yeah, Instagram, get it together. Like, this is stupid. This happened like last year sometime. Everyone was getting hit with it and they finally stopped it, but I don't know. It's a mess. Okay. Now I want to take this really pretty pink shade right here, and I just want to go in the crease as well. This is just such a pretty pink. And I might bring it down onto the eyes. I don't know. I need to take another little look-see at this palette, figure out what I want to do. Because, like, this is just really pretty. It's obviously lighter shades, but I like something like this on a day like today when I'm not feeling well. I need to get out the door. Just want something beautiful but simple, you know? Okay. Yeah, I'm feeling like some of these shimmers are like gonna be more topper shades. Like, let's just swatch this one and then, oh buddy, this one and then this one. Sorry, can you tell how horrible I am at like pointing in? Yeah, these are very, can you even see those? They're very light. I'm feeling, yeah, I feel like these are probably more topper shades. So let's put down, ow. I just get like random sharp pains throughout my body. It's not cool. All right, I want to put something kind of, okay, we're gonna put this shade down all over the lid. Both lids. And then we're gonna put some shimmer on top because I just feel like that's the best way to do this palette. I mean, that actually, if you're just wanting to do a matte look, that's actually really, really pretty by itself. But we don't do that much here, and I really need some sparkle today. So, that's what we shall do. Okay. Now, I'm gonna put down some glitter glue just all over the lids, both lids. Just a little bit. And get my shimmer brush. I am just like, this pink purple shimmer here, I am just absolutely loving. So I just kind of want to put that all over the lids. This is very, very light coverage. I mean, it's really, really pretty. It's just not like one of those like in your face, you know, shades that I'm used to, but it is pretty. Like I said, this is gonna be you need a quick look out the door, very light, nothing crazy kind of palette. Not mad at it. I just hope that you guys can see it. And it like hurts my eyes so bad every time I look up because of the lights. So I'm trying to not do that too much. Yeah, I mean, it's very pretty. It's just very light and airy, not in your face like I'm used to. And if you've been here a while, like you're probably used to. I kind of want to just take this blue shade right here and just try and see if that would show up on the center of the eye. It's like a blue-green shade. So let's, oh yeah, it shows up. Again, not anything crazy, but I feel like it's like giving galaxy vibes. There we go. Okay, this is actually really, really pretty. I'm impressed. Again, nothing crazy, but it's just really pretty and just does what it needs to do without being like in your face. So again, not mad at it, not mad at it at all. Okay, now lower lash line. I just want something really, really simple. So I think we're gonna take this shade right here and just put that on the lower lash line, we'll go in with a lower inner corner highlight and then see how things look. Sorry, you guys, like my eyes just hurt so bad. Okay, now I want to take, let's do this shade right here for the lower inner corner highlight. Oh, my eyes are starting to like water really bad. It's gonna be fun trying to do mascara. Whew. Yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have an eye attack. Like this eye is like really amping up. So if I come back for doing my mascara and this eye is like swollen and red, it's just my allergies. First sign of hot weather, it starts acting up. And it will continue. Not every day, thank goodness, because I could not do that every day. But it's enough that it's not fun. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go do the mascara. I can't tell, there might be like a little smidge of fallout, nothing crazy, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. My vision kept going so blurry, I could not see what I was doing when I was doing the mascara, so here is the finished look. This is a lot lighter than a look that I would normally do, but I do enjoy the way that it looked. And this was with the LA Girl Desert Glow Envy shadow palette. Here are those shades. Again, the shimmers are so incredibly light. I would call them topper shades. So, I mean, you could put them down and it'd probably give a really cool glassy effect now that I think about it, just by themselves. But I did put a shade down first just to try and help them out a little bit. They are very shimmery and beautiful. So, I actually did like the palette. Again, this is just something I would go to for a much lighter look, obviously. The lip, it's the ColourPop Ultra Blotted Lip, and I think this is the shade Jet Setter right here. And this is like my go-to. I don't really feel like doing anything crazy with the lips. I just want something neutral, something simple. So yeah, you guys, that was today's video. I feel like there were more things I wanted to say. My brain is just not really working today. I'm not feeling well. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do me a favor, if you think there's someone who would enjoy my content, please share it with them. That would mean the world to me. Yeah, I just thank you so much for all the support. I hope you all are doing well. Please remember that you are beautiful, you are loved, you are amazing, and just have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.